Why is Wayne the most trusted name in sump pumps? 3 reasons. Tested to 1 million cycles. Assembled in the USA. Ultra-quiet operation. The combination of our energy-efficient motors, premium components, and proprietary integrated float switch have engineered the most reliable sump pumps on the market. Wayne sump pumps are tested to 1 million cycles in rapid cycle testing conducted by a nationally recognized testing laboratory and analyzed by an independent analysis expert. All Wayne sump pumps are assembled here, right here in the USA, for best-in-class quality. Our reliable line of submersible sump pumps are designed to fit in any application with a standard 1.5-inch NPT discharge. The durable CDU series, with epoxy-coated body and cast iron base, are available in 1/3 and 1/2 horsepower and can move up to 5,100 gallons per hour. Also available in 1/3 horsepower and 1/2 horsepower. The professional-grade all-cast iron construction of the CI CDU series will be the reliable high-performance addition to any home. Our top-of-the-line CDU models with premium corrosion-resistant stainless steel are available in 3/4 horsepower and 1 horsepower designs for maximum pumping power of 6,100 gallons per hour and come back with our highest limited warranty of 5 years. Wayne pumps are also the hardest working pumps you'll never hear. Engineered with premium energy-efficient motors, carbon ceramic seals, and dual rolling element bearings, and Wayne's unique top suction technology, which is critical in a sump application to filter debris to minimize clogging and eliminate air locking. No air locking means no need to drill a weep hole, so no fountain in the basement or gurgling sounds like ordinary pump designs. Tested to 1 million cycles. Assembled in the USA. Ultra-quiet performance. Everything your home needs down in the basement. All from Wayne. Durable, reliable, worry-free. The most trusted name in pumps.
Always wear safety glasses and keep your work area well lit and tidy. Never touch or handle a pump when it's plugged in with wet hands or on a damp surface. This sump pump can be used to replace your existing pump or for a brand new sump basin. It's fully submersible and can handle spherical solids up to 1/2 inch. If you're removing an old pump, go ahead and do that first. Remember to disconnect from power before handling the pump or if there is any water in the basin. Once you've removed the old pump, using thread sealant tape, attach your discharge pipe to the new pump and lower the pump into the basin. Be sure to hang on to the AC cord to keep it from falling into the basin. Now connect the discharge pipe to the rest of your discharge piping, including a check valve. The check valve ensures that discharged water doesn't flow back into the pump when the pump turns off. Once you've got all of your discharge piping connected, you're ready to test the pump. Ensure that the pump is submerged in water and plug the pump into a GFCI outlet. The pump should begin evacuating water. Your sump pump is equipped with a switch that's activated by a float. When the water level in the basin rises to a certain level, the pump is activated and will run until the float goes back down to an acceptable level. If you have any issues, refer to the owner's manual for troubleshooting tips or call our technical support team for help. Be safe and enjoy your new sump pump.
A basement watchdog battery backup sump pump system protects your home from flooding due to power loss, main pump failure, main float failure, excess water more than your primary pump can handle. A basement watchdog battery backup sump pump system provides more protection because it continuously monitors the pump, power, and condition of your battery, alerts you when there's an issue or pump or battery maintenance is needed, has a dual float system for double the protection so the pump turns on when needed, has technology to notify you about any issues with your system anywhere you are, is compatible with both maintenance-free and wet cell batteries, which makes it more versatile, charges automatically, plus the Big Dog and Specials charger allows you to hook up multiple batteries for extra runtime, has easy to understand lights and alarms, no manual needed to figure out what steps to take. The Big Dog and Special exercise the backup pump weekly, keeping it healthy. Automatically switches to battery power when AC fails, so your basement stays dry. The Basement Watchdog, watching out for you.